quick start how to dance lambada. So this is a very beautiful Brazilian dance. So let's learn how to do it. Very, very simple way. So first of all, close your feet and now slightly go down, soften your knees. Now from here we're going to do 3 simple steps in place. So we go 1, 2, 3. So let's try again. Let's try it with the right foot. Step, step, step. Now, as we did our 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, at the end of this step, we're gonna send our hip to the right and release our foot to the left. So let's try again. So we go step, 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 and here the feel is like we almost gonna stand up and release that foot. And this foot go to the side. So let's try again. We go 1, 2, 3, release with slight elevation, and we repeat. 5, 6, 7, release. So you go 1, 2, 3, release, 5, 6, 7, release. So that's the basic step. Let's do the same step just from different reverse angle so we can learn it better. So the secret here is actually go down. So as you do those 3 steps in place, go down. And you actually already can start slightly lower in lower position. So we go down, 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 and as we're going up, I recommend to send this hip to the side and release your foot. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, once we already comfortable with the structure of the step and the rhythm of the step, we try to introduce our hip movement. So try to soften your knees and try to send your hip left, right, and also a little bit activate your rib cage. Rib cage, then hip. Rib cage, then hip. So create almost this like a wave, side to side wave. Now, as we connect that wave to our steps, stay a little bit here. As we connect wave to our steps, let this wave guide this step. So as we step, let's try to introduce that almost like a side to side figure 8 type of motion with our hip. So we go hip, 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 and here on the last one, we're gonna send hip a little bit faster to the opposite side and release the leg. 1, 2, 3, hit, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. And once you feel it, try to almost like shift your spine side to side to create that wave and momentum in your body. So it's not looking like we're just stepping and sending legs to the side. So it more looks like we swinging from side to side. And there is also that up and down feel to it. And that will be our basic lambada step. Now, once we got this step, we can already slightly travel with it. So let's try from the right foot. We go 1, 2, 3, and we're slightly gonna go forward. 1, 2, 3, 5. We can go backward with that step. Same thing. Or we can go around. We can turn to the right, or we can turn to the left. We can turn to the other direction. This is lambada. Now, how to dance together? So normally, the simple way to dance in a close position. So left arm of the leaders connect with the right arm of the followers. Now this arm going around and across. Now we try to stay a little bit in a closer position. Now we go down, and now here we try to feel the hip movement and coordinate. So idea here, my partner's hips and my hips are moving in harmony as we move. So we don't want to move in separate direction. So we want exactly in harmony, and also going down and going up has to be exactly the same. So if this is my partner, so we're going exactly at the same range. Now, as we're already getting more comfortable with that, this arm can go behind the back of your partner right here, so we can get a little bit closer position. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and also we can turn around. We can separate. Now we can also in Lambada doing underarm turn, doing the same step. And of course, our traditional back bend. Let's try it with the music.